morning, Eagles. On today's Morning Jolt, we are going to talk about some of the different whiteboard options that are available. There are 3 different ones that can be used during your class meet with or without a second device. The first option is called Jamboard. Jamboard is a Google Suite product that is multifaceted. You can add Jamboard as a Chrome extension or just Google edu.google.com, and then you can just get started. When you open up a new Jam, you will have what looks like a clean whiteboard with options down on the left-hand side. If you do not have touchscreen capabilities, you can use the Jamboard to gauge emotions by having the students or the teachers add a meme or a picture to the Jamboard. You can use the sticky note feature to have the class brainstorm, create an affinity map, or use the Jam in all of the ways you would use sticky notes in your classroom. You can add a picture and use the laser to draw attention to specific aspects of the visual or on your notes. If you do have touchscreen capabilities on your device, you can take notes for the students to follow along, as well as use all the other features previously discussed. As an added bonus, you can add your Jamboard to your Google Classroom or share the board with students who may have missed the class and/or the notes for that day. The next program is called Explain Everything. In order to access Explain Everything, you can Google Explain Everything and it gives you the interactive whiteboard. You can sign in, it is free. You could also just test it out. Something really cool about Explain Everything is that you can start with a template, which there's blackboard, green chalkboard, notepad to demonstrate taking notes. There's different files you can upload so you could actually annotate, or you can use a blank whiteboard. If you choose a blank whiteboard, down in this left-hand side you have all of your tools. Here you can add a picture or screenshot if you want to take notes on it. You can choose an existing image or video, another file, clip art, or existing audio. You can choose from writing, highlighting, erasing, choosing a shape and filling a shape. There's also a laser pointer for those of you that like lasers. And down here you have the ability to record whatever it is that you are working on. Once you are done recording, you can edit. It also shows you where you have used different tools. You can share this with your students. You can also create a link to share in Classroom. Explain Everything will also save your projects for future use. The last option is to simply use a Google slide to create a whiteboard. You can insert text to take notes. You can add images. You can also insert audio, video, different shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, word art. You can share this with your students and they can all add to this page as well. While these are just a few of the whiteboard-like options available, we hope that we've given you something to think about and strategies to use in your classroom. As always, we would love to hear how you are using these options in your classroom. Until then, we'll see you in the tea room.